To turn on or turn off Grayscale Screen in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Digital Wellbeing. Tap Wind Down. Tap Turn On Now switch until blue to enable. Tap Grayscale switch until gray to enable, or tap until white to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.